to lipids, creating codes like DNA
Right.
that can randomize.
You get it.
Though.
So you think that happens just from randomness? Just happening?
I mean, yeah, it could. Well, there's a possibility, isn't there?
To me, it's very improbable because it would almost be like taking a jar full of letters, shaking it up, and it writing a book that makes sense, which it would never happen.
Well, I mean, there's different theories of how we came about, like through the deep sea vents, through abiogenesis, things of that nature.
But if you've seen a cell under a microscope or a picture, and there's like a nucleus and mitochondria, like it's very complex. It's not just you mix it together in a test tube and it creates life, right? It's very complex. So you don't get to that level of complexity by chaotic nature just over a billion years. This is like.
But how does this lead to the Christian God, though?
Okay,
like,
exactly.
I understand what you're saying.
So first you have to believe that there is a God because that's just obvious, the way I see it, right? So the next question is.
It wouldn't be obvious for me.
I just told you, DNA. There's no way to have code without a coder.
But we've been able to prove that we're able to create
They've never created one cell.
Through cells. Yeah, through abiogenesis they have.
No, that's not a real thing. That never happens.
It is a real thing.
Abiogenesis did happen.
They've never created a cell. They've started out with certain organic things, and it's formed amino acids, like you said, and perhaps some proteins. But that's not a cell. That's still a long
No, they created. They started with non-organic things.
Yeah, but it was like a toxic waste pool. Like it created things, but it wasn't creating life. It created some building blocks that someone says maybe this could turn into. But you have to have RNA, DNA, and proteins. You don't get that from just randomness in an ocean for a billion years.
Right.
Like the first cell would have to do all of this.
Well, I mean, then you would have to prove to me that so you don't believe in evolution?
Well, so microevolution is true. That's like natural selection. That's a dog becoming a chihuahua or a poodle or something, right? Macroevolution is not true, which is we evolved from fish. That's not true. Not true. Which is